Hey guys, this is Crazy Gamer 12. Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a video of a new ceiling fan we also put up, which is this 52-inch white Breeze Pawtucket ceiling fan. I think that's what the brand was called. I cannot remember. But there it is. This is a remote control only fan. This is the remote itself. Hold on, let me put it in the light so you can see it a little bit better. It's a very nice remote. And that's how I'm going to be operating the fan. As that's the only way to operate this fan. It's got reversible white to bleached oak blades. It's got the dish light with 2 LED bulbs in it. It's a really nice frosted globe. Anyways, we're going to demonstrate the fan, starting off with the light. And it works. I think there's a dimming feature. No, there's not. There's not a dimming feature. So, alright, let's turn that off. And it just fades out. Isn't that cool? Alright, we're going to start it off on low. Here, actually, I'll view it from this side, because it's easier to see. Also, I'm going over to my cousin's house tomorrow. They also live in Charlotte. We're going to go visit them. And they have tons of fans that I could make videos of. But, for now... I'm just videoing these fans. I've already made a video of the one in my grandparents' bedroom. I made a video of the one in the living room on the long down rod. I made a video of the one in the sewing room, and this is the video of this one. This one's in like the spare room. But they needed a fan in here, so that's that. Medium speed. I personally think this is a nice fan. This one doesn't wobble at all. So that's medium. Blows a decent breeze on medium. And now for high. So it does have a bit of a hum on the high speed, but it's not that noticeable. Oh, this one actually does have a slight wobble. It's barely noticeable, but it is there. However, it does blow a really good amount of air, actually. So, it's definitely going to be this is definitely a good installment for this room. I'll show you it running with the light. And I will turn both off. Oops, sorry. Let's stop the blades. Here's a good look at it. Harbor Breeze logo. Another look of inside the globe. The blades. It's got unique blade brackets, actually. But anyways, that's it. That is the 52-inch Harbor Breeze Pawtucket, or whatever the heck this thing is called, ceiling fan in the spare bedroom of my grandparents' house. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.